Welcome to the My Two Good Hands videos on the redo of our hall bath. So we're going to show you how to do tile, we're going to show you how to do the hardboard, remove a sink, install a sink, remove a toilet, install a toilet, remove a door, install a door, cut off the door, do baseboard and trim. Stay tuned, watch the whole series. Each video is broke up on the channel. We'll catch you soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to My Two Good Hands. We'll catch you in the next video. We're in a little bitty room. We're in the hall bathroom. So hey, sit back and relax. We're going to show you how we're going to make over the entire bathroom. But let me show you what we're going to do. First, second, third, fourth. So you know what's going on. And you can decide which videos you want to watch and what you want to learn about. So stay tuned. So welcome to our hall bath. What are we going to do in this video? We have that new style tile right there and replace the old inexpensive vinyl that's down there now and go to a nice ceramic. So stay tuned and enjoy My Two Good Hands video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, post notifications on. Welcome back to another My Two Good Hands video. Hey, we're working on grout, continuing on the tile project. So grout in the bathroom. So the beauty about this grout is it actually has great directions on here. So what we're going to start out with, it says 50 to 80 degrees. We're colder than that in the garage, but we're going inside, and this came from inside. So did the water. Shows you how your mortar should be. Put the water in, pour the contents in, mix for 2 minutes, wait for 3 to 5, let it gel, mix it again for 30 seconds to a minute, go trowel it in at a 45, then at a 90, then let it sit 15 to 30 minutes and wipe it down with water. We got all this, we show you the whole process, okay? So don't forget to subscribe to My Two Good Hands. Use the Amazon links below to shop. It helps support the channel. We appreciate it. Thank you. Here is to use half of this. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut the bag open here at the top and cut the whole top of the bag off. All right. Now the instructions tell you to put the water in. So we're going to put the water in, and we pre-measured this water to be for half a bag. So basically there's 12 ounces of water here. Then we're going to take this, we're going to say half a bag. We're just going to kind of a little more. And it's probably about half a bag. So now we're going to mix it in. If it's too watery, we'll have to add some more. Ooh, well, looks like we're going to need another stick. Now we wait, and like it said on the bag, you wait for 2 minutes. So during that 2 minutes, we can get water for the next batch, and we'll go find us another stick. And we'll get rid of our broken stick here. Boom. So we're getting there. Gotta wait about another minute here. Then after that minute is done, we're gonna wait 3 to 5 here, and then we're gonna start for a minute. So we got like 2 minutes to wait. So we're gonna wait that 2 minutes. Okay. So we have mixed up more grout, and we're gonna show you how to put grout down. What we're gonna do is pour some out, and like this. And then we're going to work it in. So you get your with the sponge here, and just kind of hold this at a 45 and kind of work it around. That kind of pushes it in. You got to watch by the edges because you got to make sure you get it in all the edges here. You kind of see how it buckles up when you push it in like this. See how it kind of buckles up on there? I don't know if you can see that. You can kind of see the lines here. You can see where the tiles, if I hold it like this, you can kind of see where it buckles up. You want to do it on a 45. What we're going to do is we're going to continue to do this and do the whole room. What's left anyhow. And you want to go in both ways. If you find one of these tile things you forgot to remove, get it out of there. Stupid things in here. Come here and hold this at a 45 again, and at 90 degrees to the floor. You can kind of see as you do this, any spots you missed. Okay, now you can see that looks like. We're going to come back and mop this after about a half hour, and then we'll clean the whole thing off and show you what it looks like. Welcome back. So after this sits for 25-30 minutes, you take a very damp sponge and you come in here and you start wiping off the loose stuff on top. See how that works. Use a bucket of water. I've got a bucket of water right here so that we can put our sponges in. You don't want your sponge real wet, so make sure you wring it out really good. It's just damp. And it's best to wipe on a 45, because that way you don't dig out the grout. In the corners, it's going to be difficult. Just got to go in there and get it. So we're going to mix up some more grout and get the rest of this grouted, and then we're going to come back and polish this. Welcome to the My Two Good Hands videos on the redo of our hall bath. So we're going to show you how to do tile, we're going to show you how to do the hardboard, remove a sink, install a sink, remove a toilet, install a toilet, remove a door, install a door, cut off the door, do baseboard and trim. Stay tuned, watch the whole series. Each video is broke up on the channel. We'll catch you soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to My Two Good Hands. We'll catch you in the next video.